आज बहुत ही
Today,
आनंद का विषय है।
it's an occasion of great happiness. Like Maharaji sang that the whole earth is full of Ananda. In Akash, there is Ananda. Everyone is dancing.
बहुत ही आनंद का विषय है कि हमारे
So it's an occasion of great happiness that it's the appearance day of our Prabhuji Shri Gadadhar Pandit Goswami Ji. And as you know, that our Guru Maharaj, he established this temple because in Vrindavan, earlier there was no temple of Shri Gaur Gadadhar Ji. And Guru Maharaj Ji used to say that in Vrindavan, all the Goswamis were there, Shri Rup Goswami, Shri Sanatan Goswami, and Shri Paramanand Goswami, who established the three primary temples here, Shri Govinda Dev Ji's, Shri Radha Madan Mohan Ji, and Shri Gopinath Ji.
सभी पंडित गोस्वामी के
They were all the disciples of Shri Pandit Goswami.
इस साधन
And its praman, the evidence is in this book, Shri Sadhan Deepika.
श्री राधा
This book was written by Shri Radha Krishna Goswami Pad,
गोस्वामी
who was the disciple of Shri Haridas Goswami, and Shri Haridas Goswami was the disciple of Shri Premi Krishna Das Ji, and Shri Premi Krishna Das was the disciple of Shri Pandit Goswami.
तो इसमें उन्होंने
So in this book, he has given the pramana, the evidence that all the temples which were the primary temples in Vrindavan, which are known as the Sapta Devalaya, the seven primary temples here, they were all by the disciples of Sri Pandit Goswami. And the reason is that Sri Mahaprabhuji, when he was in Jagannath Puri,
तत्व से उनके साथ में
then
श्री गदाधर पंडित ही
from Panchatattva, with him, only Sri Gadadhar Pandit was residing along with him. Other than him, Sri Advaita Acharya, Sri Nityanand Prabhuji, and Srivas Acharya ji, they and the other devotees, they came to take his darshan during Rath Yatra, but primarily, all the time who was residing with Sri Mahaprabhu, that was Sri Pandit Goswami ji, Sri Gadadhar Pandit.
भागवत से श्री
In Sri Chaitanya Bhagavat, Sri Chaitanya Charitamrit, we find the praman that Sri Mahaprabhu ji, he gave, he told to do Vigrah Seva to Sri Gadadhar Pandit Goswami ji. And hearing Bhagavatam, Sri Gaurang Sundar ji, he was hearing Bhagavatam from the mouth of Sri Pandit Goswami ji. And you know that our Gaudiya Sampradaya, its primary pramana shastra is Srimad Bhagavatam.
वैष्णवानाम्नि यस्मिन् पारमहंसमेकमन्वं ज्ञानं परम गीयते। तो महाप्रभु जी ने
So Mahaprabhu ji, he had told that if somebody wants to understand the Tattva Vastu, then it is possible only through Bhagavad Purana. Before him, before that, the paramparas which were there, sampradayas which were there, they used to write commentaries on the Prasthanatrayi, the major Upanishads, Srimad Bhagavad Gita. But our Goswamis, they did not write commentaries on Prasthanatrayi. Instead, they wrote commentaries on Srimad Bhagavatam. And on that basis, the other Shastras were composed. So that Srimad Bhagavatam, Sri Gaurang Sundar Mahaprabhu, he used to hear that Srimad Bhagavatam from the mouth of Sri Gadadhar Pandit Goswami ji. And it is described in Sri Chaitanya Bhagavat that Mahaprabhu used to hear the Leelas again and again. In there it is written that Prahlad Charitra, Dhruva Charitra, he used to hear hundreds of times. Still he was not fully satisfied. He heard again and again. So Gadadhar Pandit ji, he lived with Mahaprabhu from childhood, and the Gaur Ganodesh Deepika, which is composed by Sri Kavi Karnapur, in that he has said that all the Parshadas, the associates of Bhagavan Sri Krishna, they also appeared with Sriman Mahaprabhu. So there he has written this verse.
पुरा वृंदावनेश्वरी सा श्री गदाधर गौर वल्लभ पंडिताख्यिका। भगवान श्री कृष्ण की लीला में
Bhagavan Sri Krishna in his Leela, who is Srimati Radharani, who is Prem Rupa,
महाप्रभु की लीला में गदाधर पंडित
she comes in Mahaprabhu's Leela as Sri Gadadhar Pandit. There is one more katha that when Bhagavan Shri Krishna, when he was performing his Leela here, and after 11 years he went to Mathura, then Srimati Radharani, she was in deep separation. When he was here, then also she was in deep separation because all the time she could not be with him. That's why it was her desire that if I would have been in a male form, then I would never have to be separated from Bhagavan Shri Krishna. So with this desire, when Shri Gaur Sundar appeared, when Krishna appeared as Shri Gaur Sundar, that time Srimati Radharani, she appeared as Shri Gadadhar. And since childhood they were living together, they studied together. Shri Gadadhar Pandit ji, as you heard in Maharaj's Kirtan, that he appeared. His mother's name was Srimati Ratna Devi. So it is said that they were near Chattagaon and later they shifted to Navadvip. And Jagannath Mishra ji, who was the father of Sri Gaurang Sundar, where they were living near to their home only, Gadadhar Pandit Goswami ji was living. So from childhood they lived together, they studied together. Sri Nityanand Prabhu ji, he came later, and the meeting with other associates happened later, but Sri Gadadhar Pandit Goswami ji was living since childhood with him. And both were Pandits. Mahaprabhu was known as Nimai Pandit, and Sri Gadadhar Pandit Goswami was known as Gadai Pandit. But Gadadhar Pandit ji, he was highly cultured and of very shy and simple nature. But Nimai Pandit was a very logician type from childhood. He used to do arguments. So he used to trouble Pandit Goswami from childhood. So when Pandit Goswami used to say, Mahaprabhu used to reply, what you talk about bhakti and all. So Sri Gadadhar Pandit used to think that sometime if this Nimai also becomes a devotee, then it will be such a great pleasure. So his desire was fulfilled when Sri Gaurang Sundarji went to Gaya after the disappearance of Sri Jagannath Mishra. And there he met his guru Sri Ishwarpuri, and he got mantra diksha from him. And when he came back, his entire bhav had changed. So that time, Gadadhar Pandit ji was extremely happy to see this avesh of bhav in Mahaprabhu. So then they were associating very intimately with each other. So in Chaitanya Charitamrita also it is written,
तासभार चरणे करु सहस्र प्रणति गदाधर पंडित गोसाई शक्ति अवतार अंतरंगा स्वरूप शक्ति गण न जहार। तो ये भगवान की अंतरंगा शक्ति के अवतार हैं।
So he is the avatar of the Antaranga Shakti of Bhagavan, the Srimati Radharani. Sometimes is called as Lakshmi Swarup, sometimes as Radha Swarup. So Radharani is Mahalakshmi, from whom all appear. And regarding his prem, it is mentioned
गदाधर प्राणनाथ नाम हाइले जाए कि पंडित जी की जो भाव मुद्रा है
that the Bhava Mudra of Pandit ji,
किसी को समझ में नहीं आता था
it was not, nobody could understand that because he had so much preeti for Bhagavan Shri Gaurasundar that his name was Gadadhar Prananath. Mahaprabhu's name was Gadadhar Prananath. And another name was Gadair Gauranga. But this Mahaprabhu Gauranga, he is of Gadadhar.
कहने न जाए गदाइयर गौरंगा करी सर्वलोक गाय। तो सब लोग यही कहते थे कि ये तो
Everyone used to say that he is the Gauranga of Gadai. So regarding that, there is a katha in Chaitanya Bhagavat that once when Sri Gadadhar Pandit ji, he brought betel leaf pan for Sri Gauranga Sundar. So when he gave the betel leaf pan to him, then Mahaprabhu was totally in the avesh of the bhav. And in that condition, he asked Gadadhar Pandit that, O Gadadhar, where is Shyam Sundar? Where can I meet him? I can't live without him. So Gadadhar ji started thinking that what shall I tell him? So he told that he is residing in your heart only. So then Mahaprabhu exclaimed, "Oh, he is in my heart." Then he started tearing off his chest. Now it was a big trouble because he was just on the bhav, and with his own nails, he started tearing off his chest. So it was a big problem. Then Gadadhar Pandit ji has to hold him and stop him from doing that. And Sachi Mata, when she saw this, she started crying. Now what will happen to my son? So Gadadhar Pandit ji, then he applied his intelligence. When Mahaprabhu asked where is he, then Gadadhar Pandit ji replied that now be quiet. Sham Sundar has gone outside. So when Mahaprabhu heard that, then he stopped tearing off his chest. So that time Sachimata told Pandit Goswami that, "Oh Gadai, that from today onwards you should always be with Gauranga. You should never leave his association because we never know at what time what he will do." So there is another description regarding him.
निरवधि गदाधर थाकेन सम्मति, प्रभु गदाधर विच्छेद नाही करती। ये चैतन्य भागवत में लिखा हुआ है।
So this is in Chaitanya Bhagavat that their association, they were never separated from each other. They were always together.
पर्यटने गदाधर प्रभु रे सेवन अनुक्षण, तो चाहे भोजन हो, शयन हो,
So whether it is eating, sleeping, wandering around, and they were anyway studying also together. So Gadadhar Pandit Goswami ji was always with Mahaprabhu.
भागवत सुनी होय प्रभु प्रेम रसे महामत, गदाधर वाक्य मात्र प्रभु सुखी होय, भ्रमे गदाधर संगे वैष्णव आलय। तो हमेशा भागवत का
So
श्रवण
always Mahaprabhu used to hear Bhagavatam from Sri Pandit Goswami ji. He used to go along with him to the homes of other Vaishnavas.
तो ये इस पुस्तक में लिखा हुआ है।
So this is written in this book.
भागवत कृष्ण चैतन्य देवस्य अंतरंग शक्ति वर्ग मुख्यतमा श्री गदाधर पंडित का, अतः श्री नीलाचले स्वसेवाधिकारित्वेन श्री भागवत कथा कथन अधिकारित्वेन च तेन सच निरूपितः। एवं गौरदेश मुख्य प्रदेश स्वप्रकट स्थल नवद्वीपे तथा सर्वधाम प्रवन श्री वृंदावने थी। तो यहाँ पर ये कहते हैं कि महाप्रभु जो हैं
So here it is said that Mahaprabhu, he gave the adhikar of seva of Gopinath, who is popularly known as Tota Gopinath. His seva was done by Radhar Pandit ji. So that vigraha was given by Mahaprabhu to him. It was in the sand in the Chatak Parvat. So Mahaprabhu took out from there and gave the seva to Sri Gadadhar Pandit Goswami ji. And because for vigraha seva, Diksha is required. Vigraha seva cannot be done without Diksha. That also proves that the adhikar of Diksha was also given to Pandit Goswami ji. That's why Guru Maharaj used to say that Pandit Goswami ji was given 3 adhikaras by Mahaprabhu. One is of Vigraha seva, one is of teaching Bhagavatam, and the third is of Diksha. That is why nowadays people have forgotten this fact. Today, many people have forgotten the name of Sri Gadadhar Pandit Goswami ji. But earlier in Vrindavan, primarily there was Gadadhar Parivar only all around, because everyone was belonging to his Parivar. So because he is of that time only, Sri Radha Krishna Goswami Padji, and he belongs to that parampara itself. He is of the time of Sri Jiv Goswami, and Narottam Das Thakur, Srinivas Acharya, Shyamanand Prabhu, they were all contemporaries. That's why Sri Narottam Mahashay ji, he also in his one of his bhajan song he has written,
पति मोर गौर चंद्र देव मोर जुगल किशोर, अद्वैता आचार्य बल गदाधर मोर कुल, नर हरि विलास ये मोर। तो यहाँ वो स्पष्ट कहते
so
हैं।
here he is writing very clearly, Sri Narottam Das Thakur, his kula is Gadadhar. He belongs to the Gadadhar Parivar. And his Guruji, Sri Loknath Goswami, and Loknath Goswami's uncle was Sri Bhugarbha Goswami. And our Guru Parampara is from Sri Bhugarbha Goswami. And Bhugarbha Goswami ji's name in Chaitanya Charitamrit is mentioned in the along with the in the Shakha of Sri Gadadhar Pandit Goswami.
मैंने शायद कहीं लिखा था,
So I had written that verse somewhere.
तो वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ श्री
So
गदाधर
there it is mentioned.
ते महोत्तम तार उपशाखा किचु करिय गणन, कि श्री गदाधर पंडित की शाखा जो है वो सबसे
The Shakha, the branch of Sri Gadadhar Pandit is topmost.
उत्तम दास ए दुई आसी कैले वृंदावन वास। तो भूगर्भ गोस्वामी
Bhugarbha Goswami,
जो 6 गोस्वामी हैं उनसे भी पहले वृंदावन आए थे।
he came to Vrindavan even before the 6 Goswamis, and when he came, along with him, Sri Loknath Goswami had also come.
हालांकि
So although Loknath Goswami,
चैतन्य भागवत
with whose disciple was he, we do not get that information from Chaitanya Charitamrit and Chaitanya Bhagavat, but we can make inference that because his uncle was the disciple of Pandit Goswami and his disciple Narottam Das Thakur Mahasaya, he also writes that my kula is Gadadhar. So from that we can make inference that Sri Loknath Goswami must also have been the disciple of Sri Pandit Goswami.
तो अद्यपि यहाँ और लिखते हैं वो, अद्यपि श्री वृंदावने उपासना प्राप्ति स्थाने श्रीमद् राधा गोविंद श्रीमद् राधा मदन गोपाल सेवाधिकारी श्री रूप सनातन अनुगत्य श्री राधा गदाधर चरित्रमेव दृश्यते। तो यहाँ उन्होंने स्पष्ट लिखा है
So here he has written very clearly
वृंदावन में उपासना के स्थान है गोविंद देव
that the places of Upasana in Vrindavan, it is
माना गया है।
Govinda Dev, because Govinda Dev is known as the Adi Devata in Vrindavan, and Madan Gopal Ji, whose appearance was by Sri Sanatan Goswami.
का ही चरित्र चलता है, यानी कि उन्हीं के
So there also the seva is of Sri Radha Gadadhar Ji.
होता है कि
So from all this, it is hence proved that Sri Pandit Goswami, Sri Gadadhar Pandit Goswami, he was very intimate associate of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he was with Mahaprabhu in the entire Leela, and
उनका आस्वादन किया।
he tasted the bhakti, the prema along with Mahaprabhu. And our Guru Maharaj is in that parampara, and he established this temple. He used to say that today people have forgotten Sri Pandit Goswami, and because for that reason only he established this temple,
जो सभी उत्थान हुआ है ये इसी
because all
शिष्य प्रशिष्य नहीं
the revival of Vrindavan was by the disciples of Sri Gadadhar Pandit Goswami. So today is his appearance day, and it's an occasion of great happiness. Maharaj Ji did such wonderful kirtan.
तो बड़ा आनंद हुआ सुनकर।